have no excuse. I'm addicted to shoes because, you know? Do you see the vision? Do you see the vibe? Like, girl, what is you doing? Some of us got some fupa. Look how cute that is. Why are you lying to me, pretty little thing? Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girly nemesis here. I hope you're all doing well and thank you for watching another one of my videos. I ordered a bunch of stuff from PrettyLittleThing and from ASOS, so I thought I would just do an on-camera unboxing, talk about fit, and all that fun stuff. Now, before we get into the video, you know I've got to ask you some questions. Did you double cleanse tonight? Did you drink your water? Did you moisturize? And I am judging you for still texting him. Yeah, I know you didn't delete his number. Don't lie to me. And other than that, you know what? No long talk. Let's just jump into the video. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to unbox, I think, will be my package from ASOS. You guys probably know there's a theme on this channel. I love everything ASOS. They're pretty much my favorite brand, to be honest with you. I think their plus size offering is pretty amazing. And I just love their accessories and shoes, so it's always a win. Alrighty, so the first thing looks like a pair of shoes. I saw these shoes and I fell in love. So here they are. There are these velvet kind of open back pointed heel shoe. There's a thick heel, so Enum is happy there, and it's absolutely not too high. So it's very like work appropriate and it will probably be very comfortable to wear. It has a long tie to go up your ankles and it is gorgeous. It's wide fit. I know my ASOS size pretty well since I do shop on the site quite a bit. So I ordered this in a size US 10 and it looks really beautiful. It's well crafted, not super high. They're really beautiful. They're well crafted. And I just wanted like a cute pair of heels for fall, you know, in a beautiful like burnt caramel tone and this cool like pin striping as well. It's just really pretty, and honestly, I have no excuse. I'm addicted to shoes, so with every order I tend to have at least a pair of shoes, so these were the ones. Okay, so next up, what do we got? Ooh, we've got a purse. So I saw this bag and immediately fell head over heels in love with it. So nice. Do y'all see this? What an entire vibe. But it's this beautiful, like, sandstone tufted hand clutch. I liked it because I saw myself holding it kind of like this. It has a pretty good shape that can fit right on your side, but it also has this square handle that I think is so dope. Like, do you see the vision? Do you see the vibe? It has a clasp button in the middle. It's nice and big. It's actually much bigger than I thought it would be. And it has this, like, I don't know how to explain it. It almost feels like a winter jacket type of texture. It's very structured along the top and poofy and slouchy at the bottom. Imagine these with the shoes. Ooh, excuse me, ma'am. I feel expensive holding this. I feel bourgeois holding this. This is a cute, I like this. This is a cute bag. Okay, I think I only got 3 pieces down from ASOS. So this is the next one. Oh, it's a blazer. Okay, so I love a good blazer. I own far too many of them. So I got this ASOS design. It's basically like a dad blazer. It comes with the tortoiseshell buttons, like so. And I really wanted this extremely oversized. So I got it 2 sizes bigger than me. Because I wanted a full-on like oversized look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are you Oh my gosh, okay, let's chat. So it's extremely oversized and I did that on purpose. I wanted it to hit well below my hips and I wanted the arms to be very long. This is slouchy vibe, is very much where I'm at in life right now. It easily buttons up, so I could even do this with some like leather leggings and some knee-high boots and have a whole look with a belt, but I really do like it open. It has really like exaggerated shoulders. They're shoulder pads, that's why. So the shoulder pads gives you that like funky 90s vibe. So I would just kind of like shuffle it up type of thing. It's super lightweight, so like this isn't gonna keep you warm at all, but because it's lightweight, I can throw on a really chunky sweater underneath it and still be really comfortable. I love the length of it. This is amazing. Anytime I see any sort of like oversized dad jacket on ASOS, I jump for it because, you know, y'all, with the bag, no. No. Wow. Do you see this with the bag? Look, I love this jacket and I intend to go back and buy like every single color because what? This is everything. I'm so happy. So those are the pieces I got from ASOS. Let's jump into PrettyLittleThing. Hopefully we have the same experience.
Bitch, you done?
So I did go a little bit ham with my PrettyLittleThing order. So let's see what's in the bag. So this is a cropped puffer jacket. Because you know, mans are cold on the ends here in Canada. So any sort of like jacket coat situation, I'm in it. I got this in a US 22. Because I find with PrettyLittleThing, their sizing is a little small. So I do try to size up. Ah! Yo. Oh my god. Yeah, this is giving me straight up Missy Elliott vibes. I haven't owned a puff jacket since I was in like grade 8. So it's this like black crop puffer. So the crop is perfect. It hits me right at the smallest part of my body, which is where I like wear my crops anyway. It's warm. It's very warm. Like I'm sweating just in my home wearing this right now. The neck part is really high, so it like hits you. So I would have to kind of like wear it like that, you know? I think it's like the perfect amount of poof. It's not too poofy, but you know, it sends the message. This is a vibe. I like this with like an all black fit with some chunky boots, cat eye sunnies. Yeah, I like this, big fan. I did order a bag. I had to. Do we look how cute that is? It has a little clip open. Ooh. And it does come with a handle, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm definitely gonna be holding this bag because she deserves to be carried. It has like a little like croc detailing with a gold like bangy thingy, I don't know what to call it. And the handle is it's just so dainty. It's so cute. I don't have any like mini micro bags like this, so I saw it was on sale. I was like, you know what, let's just chuck her in the bag. Let's just chuck her in the cart. Put in the order. Let's go. So, eat the bag. I forgot I ordered this actually, but it's a white turtleneck because I just find that I wanted a layering piece and turtlenecks are always it. It's made of like a really slinky, stretchy material. I got it in a US 22. It's like high neck, super simple white turtleneck, nothing really special about it. I just needed layering pieces, so I thought it would be good to pick this up. I will use this shirt to model the rest of the pants. Alrighty, first pair of jeans. I'm kind of nervous because denim is like hit or miss for the first time when you're buying. So these are the first pair. It looks to be high-waisted and ooh, just for fun. Has a little bit of a bum rip detail. Love that for me. We'll see how it fits. So give me a second, let me chuck this on and we'll talk about fit. Alrighty, so where should we start? Let's start with the top. So the top is plain, just like a simple white turtleneck, nothing really special about it, but it will be a great layering piece. The pants, I don't know if I love these pants. They are so uncomfortably tight up top, but then the legs are mad loose, and I don't get it. Enam's very confused, like, why are you doing this? Like, definitely if I wore like a long shirt, they're fine. They have like a wide leg, but bruh, up here, it's uncomfy. I feel like these are made for like bodies with like really small waists and large hips, because there's a lot of fabric here, but up here, like, girl, what is you doing? Some of us got some fupa. Like, could you let us breathe? I personally don't mind at all. I don't care if I show my fupa a little bit, but I feel like these jeans are too thin of a material to get away with it, which stresses me out. The bum rip, dangerously close to the bum. Like that rip is like one wrong sit away from just showing straight up butt cheek. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's unfortunate because the rest of the pants are actually like really nice. Like they're comfy through the leg and everything, but I just can't get over this. And I sized up, so I would need to size up like twice for it to make sense, but then the legs themselves would be really wide, so I don't know about this one. I feel like if I were to wear, I don't know, if I were to wear like a long lined shirt with it, it would be fine, because then I really do like how the bottom of it looks. This can't go on. What is this? Pretty little thing, you did me dirty with this. Let's try on the next pair. Hopefully this next pair is better, but judging off fit, I can already tell that these jeans are not gonna be for like my type of body. So I got these as well. Same size, big yikes. It may be just the exact same issue, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I spoke too soon. They're like weirdly like a stiffer material, but they fit much higher up on my waist, which is nice. The color is really dope. It's like an old school like 90s wash. Straight down pants. These are really nice. I have no complaints. These are a bomb pair of denim. It must be those type of pants, like the white ones, so I'll definitely like look into it. They're very comfortable. You can like move around in them. Yeah, these are not comfy. I really like this. So the last piece I bought were a pair of black denim. I'm hoping they go more in the way of the blue denim than the white did. These are cute. Simple black, straight through. Just like black pants. Okay, let me try these on and we'll go from there. I've come to the conclusion that I hate PrettyLittleThing jeans and bottoms. These are the most ill-fitting jeans I've ever worn. I'm sorry, PrettyLittleThing, you guys need to go back to the drawing board with your denim, because what the f is actually happening? Like, what are y'all doing over there? Like, how can jeans be simultaneously tight around here and then loose at the knee? Is this a skinny jean or a high-rise mom jean like you said it was? Why are you lying to me, PrettyLittleThing? I am so disappointed with the denim. That blue pair just made the cut. This black pair is a joke. Like, the material is gross, and I dead ass popped the zipper. Like, it just popped, it fit, and then all of a sudden I was like trying to like adjust the zipper. It just unzipped. And it's like, PLT, I'm gonna need you to contact me. We're gonna need to talk, because you have a lot to do with your denim. Could you please make it make sense? I'm upset that I had to end on such a bad note, but this was not okay, and I'm very disappointed. I'm PrettyLittleThing. My email is linked on my Instagram. Get in contact with me. We have some work to do. So there you have it. That was my ASOS and PrettyLittleThing collective haul. I am disappointed with PrettyLittleThing. I am still very infatuated with ASOS. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed like a more chill unboxing type of video. I really enjoyed these. I just like to try things on with you guys and go through the moods and feels with you. Thank you. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. We're so close to 600. I'm so hype. Thank you everyone who's already subscribed. Like this video, leave a comment, do all the things. I really appreciate it. And I will catch you next Thursday with a brand new video. Bye guys.